Under the scorching sun, thousands of ants march in perfect unison, a living river of industry. Amidst the ceaseless toil, tiny Pip stands alone, his gaze fixed on the colossal oak tree that dwarfs his world. His antennae twitch with an undeniable yearning, a silent dream reaching for the sky. Other ants scurry past, their silent bumps and glares conveying disdain for his impractical fascination. Undeterred, Pip takes a tentative step towards the tree's massive trunk, a spark of defiance in his tiny eyes. His small form against the giant bark, a glint of resolve shines as he begins his impossible journey. Pip begins his arduous ascent up the rough, textured bark of the oak tree. Each step is a monumental effort, his tiny legs scrambling for purchase on the uneven surface. The sun beats down, and he occasionally slips, regaining his footing with a renewed burst of energy. He passes a small, discarded leaf, a potential resting spot, but pushes onward, his gaze fixed upwards. The bustling anthill below fades, replaced by the rustle of leaves and the distant chirping of birds, emphasizing his isolation. Pip, utterly spent yet buzzing with triumph, hoists himself onto the oak tree's highest, most delicate leaf. The world unfurls beneath him, a sprawling tapestry of emerald and distant hazy hills. A soft breeze tousles his antennae as he surveys the magnificent vista, a deep sense of achievement swelling within him. Far beneath, the ant colony, now reduced to minuscule specks, begins to awaken. Cheers, manifested as synchronized, rapid antenna movements and frenzied scuttling erupt from the colony. Never give up. The same people who discourage you will end up being the ones cheering for you.